Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're ranking the best Dyson cordless vacuums. I've dropped all the links in the description. Let's get into it, starting with number 5. Number 5, Dyson V11 Extra Cordless Vacuum. Let's kick things off with the Dyson V11 Extra, a solid entry-level option that delivers reliable cleaning without breaking the bank. If you want Dyson quality at the most accessible price point, this vacuum deserves your attention. With its powerful suction and 60-minute runtime, this vacuum handles everyday messes across carpets and hard floors effectively. The LCD screen shows battery life and performance alerts, while the intelligent cleaning modes automatically adjust suction based on floor type. What sets it apart is the advanced filtration that captures allergens and the whole machine HEPA filtration system. The click-in battery swaps easily, and the bin empties hygienically with one push. Where it shines: great value for Dyson quality, solid battery life, intelligent auto mode, and reliable performance for most homes. Where it falls short: heavier than newer models, lacks advanced detection features, and lower suction power compared to premium Dyson vacuums. Who's it for? Perfect for budget-conscious buyers who want proven Dyson performance without premium features. Bottom line, the V11 Extra offers dependable Dyson cleaning at an accessible price point for everyday households. Number 4, Dyson V12 Detect Slim Cordless Vacuum. A refined vacuum that blends power with lightweight design, perfect for users who need serious cleaning without the weight. This isn't just another cordless vacuum. It's a thoughtful upgrade that delivers enhanced features. Thanks to the laser detection technology and improved filtration, you get excellent cleaning performance that reveals hidden dust on hard floors. Whether you're tackling pet hair or everyday debris, this vacuum provides consistent results across different surfaces. The vacuum's lightweight construction reduces fatigue during cleaning sessions, while the intelligent detection features show exactly what you're picking up. The LCD screen displays real-time performance data, making cleaning more efficient. What sets this generation apart is the balance of features and portability. The vacuum provides serious cleaning capability while maintaining comfortable handling for extended use. Where it shines: lightweight design, laser dust detection, excellent for mixed floor types, and smart features that enhance cleaning effectiveness. Where it falls short: smaller battery compared to larger models, and premium pricing for the feature set. Who's it for? It's perfect for multi-floor homes, users wanting smart features, or anyone needing lightweight power for thorough cleaning. Bottom line, the Dyson V12 Detect Slim delivers advanced features with comfortable handling. If you want smart cleaning in a lighter package, this one checks the boxes. Number 3, Dyson V15 Detect Cordless Vacuum. A powerful vacuum built for users who want professional-level cleaning. If you're tired of vacuums that miss hidden dirt, this one changes the game with advanced detection technology. What sets it apart is the laser dust detection combined with acoustic piezo sensor technology that counts and measures particles. You get exceptional cleaning insight with real-time feedback showing exactly what you're capturing from your floors. The build quality is premium and dependable. The powerful motor provides strong suction across all floor types, while the intelligent LCD screen displays detailed cleaning data. The vacuum adapts suction automatically based on debris detection. One standout feature is how the vacuum reveals microscopic dust with the laser while providing scientific proof of cleaning effectiveness through particle counting. The filtration system captures particles as small as 0.3 microns. Where it shines: advanced detection technology, powerful suction, intelligent auto-adjust, and comprehensive cleaning data for optimization. Where it falls short: heavier than compact models, and higher price point reflects premium features. Who's it for? This vacuum is perfect for detail-oriented cleaners, allergy sufferers, or anyone wanting scientific cleaning validation with maximum performance. Bottom line, the Dyson V15 Detect delivers professional-grade cleaning with intelligent features. If you want proven deep cleaning capability, this model deserves its spot in the top 3. If this helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell. More honest vacuum reviews are coming. All the links you need are right there in the description. Number 2, Dyson V15 Detect Plus Cordless Vacuum. An enhanced vacuum that's taken everything great about the V15 and added premium attachments. What sets the Plus apart is the comprehensive toolkit that handles every cleaning scenario. Unlike the standard V15, The Plus delivers the same powerful performance with additional specialized attachments for complete home cleaning. The vacuum rewards users with versatility while maintaining the advanced detection features that make Dyson's top-tier vacuums exceptional. One standout feature is the expanded accessory package that includes specialized tools for furniture, tight spaces, and delicate surfaces. The vacuum maintains excellent suction with intelligent features while providing solutions for every cleaning challenge. The Plus includes proven Dyson reliability with premium construction. You get comprehensive coverage with tools for stairs, upholstery, and hard-to-reach areas, while the detection technology ensures thorough cleaning throughout. Build quality stays consistently high with Dyson's engineering. The comprehensive package provides professional cleaning capability for entire homes. Where it shines: complete tool selection, same V15 performance, versatile attachments, and comprehensive home cleaning capability. Where it falls short: higher price for the additional tools and more accessories to store. Who's it for? It's perfect for whole home cleaning, pet owners, or anyone wanting the most complete Dyson cleaning system available. Bottom line, the V15 Detect Plus delivers ultimate versatility. With comprehensive tools and V15 performance, it's one of the most complete cleaning solutions available. And finally, my number one pick, Dyson Gen 5 Detect Cordless Vacuum. A next-generation vacuum that combines maximum power, advanced technology, and premium features into one complete package. Whether you need the longest runtime, strongest suction, or most advanced filtration available, this model delivers flagship performance. What sets the Gen 5 Detect apart is its incredible HEPA filtration that captures particles and displays air quality data in real time. Unlike previous models, the Gen 5 Detect provides the longest runtime and most powerful suction in Dyson's lineup with advanced whole machine filtration. Smart engineering is built in. The vacuum's enhanced battery provides up to 70 minutes of runtime, while comprehensive attachments handle any cleaning task. The display shows remaining runtime, performance data, and maintenance alerts. The construction reaches its peak with Dyson's premium materials and engineering excellence. Build quality is absolutely dependable with comprehensive features including advanced filtration, maximum suction, and professional-grade attachments. Where it shines: longest battery life, strongest suction, HEPA filtration throughout, and complete air quality monitoring for ultimate performance. Where it falls short: premium pricing reflects flagship features, and comprehensive capability means additional weight. Who's it for? It's the ideal choice for those wanting the absolute best cordless vacuum with maximum runtime, strongest cleaning power, and most advanced features available. Bottom line, the Dyson Gen 5 Detect is the total package. With outstanding power, longest runtime, and comprehensive features, it's the ultimate cordless vacuum for those refusing to settle for average performance. And that wraps up the best Dyson cordless vacuums. All the links are in the description. Which one's your favorite? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.